Wealthsimple, and Questrade to find out which one is best for trading for Canadians. So let's get started with Wealthsimple, that is designed for beginners, offering commission-free trades on stocks and ETFs. No account minimums or annual fees are required for this account. TFSA, RRSP, and personal accounts are supported by Wealthsimple. Wealthsimple only provides delayed codes up to 15 minutes, which may not be ideal for active traders. So who should use this platform? A beginner-friendly app, zero commission trading, a simple, easy-to-use experience. If these are your choices, you can go with Wealthsimple. On the other hand, let's check out Questrade now, as Questrade is the best option for those who are looking for a broader range of investment options, bonds, GICs, mutual funds, and international equities. For accounts, they support RRSP, Lira, and margin accounts. Questrade offers free real-time market data, making it better suited for users who need up-to-the-second information. So who should use Questrade? If you want advanced features, more asset classes, real-time data, and flexible account types, you can choose Questrade.